Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about a table that shows the percentage of consumer spending in 5 different countries in the year 2002. The table compares 3 categories: food, drinks and tobacco, clothing and footwear, and leisure and education. Moving on to body section overall, it is clear that people in all 5 countries spent the largest part of their income on food, drinks and tobacco. In contrast, the least amount of money was spent on leisure and education. Turkey had the highest spending in most categories, while Sweden had the lowest. Looking at food, drinks, and tobacco, Turkey recorded the highest percentage at 32.14%, followed by Ireland at 28.91%. The other countries, including Italy, Spain, and Sweden, spent much less, with Sweden having the lowest figure at 15.77%. In terms of clothing and footwear, Italy spent the most at 9%. The other countries had similar spending levels, ranging between 5% and 7%, with Sweden again being the lowest at 5.40%. For leisure and education, spending was quite low in all countries, remaining below 5%. Turkey had the highest at 4.35%, while Spain had the lowest at only 1.98%. In conclusion, the table shows that people spent more on essential items like food, while spending less on leisure and education across all countries.